Hi guys, welcome back to my Myankaranation YouTube channel. In today's video we are going to make Ankara tote bag, and these are the materials we'll be using: potato, this is Ankara fabric, zipper, interfacing, scissors and lining. If you are just joining us for the first time, please subscribe to this channel, turn on notification bell so you will be notified every time I drop a new tutorial. To my returning subscribers, I want to say a big thank you to all of you, and God bless you as you return to this channel to watch my amazing video. Let's get straight into today's tutorial. The measurement for the bag we are making will be 20 inches. 20 inches by 11 inches. 20 inches by 11 inches. So what you want to do next is to fold into two. I ironed interfacing on this fabric. So you fold your Ankara into two equal parts. So when that is done, from the both edge, we measure 1.5 inches. 1.5 inches. And from this part, we measure 3.5 inches. So what you want to do is to connect this 1.5 to this 3.5 inches. I'm also going to do the same here. 1.5 inches. I'm going to measure 3.5 inches. Now connect this. So when that is done, you'll cut it out. So after cutting out, you can fold it to be sure that they are equal. And if they are not equal, after folding, can as well trace it out. When that is done, you open your fabric and fold it into two equal parts so you can get the middle. Now we have the middle. From the middle, we are going to mark 2 inches down. That's 2 inches. Then from that middle, I'm going to mark 2 inches to this point, the left and right, 2 inches. Okay. So you're going to do the same marking here, and this is where we'll be fixing the handle of this bag. So for the handle of the bag, this is the Ankara fabric we are using. Let's measure it. I've already ironed interfacing on it. "20 inches by 3 inches. So I just folded from the both sides. Folded it on each other. I'm going to sew a straight stitch from this point to this point. And you're going to do the same to the other handle. After stitching your handle, the next thing you want to do, you are going to fold this edge a bit. We're going to stitch this on that 2 inches mark. So you're going to stitch like a 4 corner. You fold this other edge as well. I'm going to stitch the both handle. I'm going to stitch okay 4 corner as well. I will do the same for this other side of the back. So guys, after fixing the handle, the next thing you want to do is to fix your zipper. I'm going to open this zip into 2. We're going to fix one part here. Straight down. I'm going to fix the other part here. Straight down. After fixing the zip, you are going to cut out your lining, same measurement as this Ankara fabric. This one that I have here, it's the same measurement I did on the Ankara fabric that I did on the lining. So you are going to place your lining this way. You're going to stitch straight down on the zipper side, and you're also going to stitch this straight down on the zipper side also. After attaching your lining, you're now going to turn the bag inside out. Now you go back to the sewing machine and you're going to stitch this down. So you're going to start from here with top stitch on this zip. So you stitch, top stitch, then you stitch. When you get here also, top stitch and you stitch. So you are just going to be stitching around the back. So guys, I have gone ahead and stitch around the back. So now the line is laying very flat, and the next thing you want to do is to zip up your bag. Make sure your bag is on equal parts, and from this bottom part now, you want to measure it up to 1.5 inches. Up, then 1.5 inches down. .5 inches up. .5 inches down. We are going to cut this off. So when that is done, I'm going to turn the bag to the lining part. you can now cut out your excess zip. We're going to stitch from the zip down to this point. And you're also going to stitch from this zip part down to this point. After stitching this part of the back, now you will now go back and stitch this part of the back. So guys, I am done stitching. It's time to turn the bag inside out. So guys, I am done stitching. It's time to turn the bag inside out. So guys, we have come to the end of this video. Like this video and share it to your friends and family. Thank you guys for watching. I will see you in my next video.